recipe of the week is Swiss chard. Swiss chard is packed with vitamin K, high in vitamins A and C, iron and calcium, and 1 cup is just 35 calories. It's available in the store all year long. When shopping for Swiss chard, you want to make sure that you select nice firm leaves, not limp or wilted. You want to wash all of the dirt or sand just before using and pat dry. Today I'm going to be making a frittata with my Swiss chard. I have all the ingredients already prepped. I preheated the broiler on high. I'm going to begin by whisking together 7 eggs until all the yolks and whites are combined. Then I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese, chopped scallions, and salt and pepper. Whisk it together until it's all combined. And then set aside. I have my chard all chopped, and I'm going to begin sauteing it in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just until wilted. Now that my Swiss chard is wilted, I'm going to add my shredded potatoes. Mixing them together with the Swiss chard, you want to spread them evenly in the pan and brown them slightly, about 2 to 3 minutes. As the egg mixture cooks, you want to make sure that you run your spatula around the edges so that the eggs will flow through to the bottom. Once the egg mixture is cooked and set on the bottom, you want to continue cooking in the broiler until the top is nice and golden brown. My frittata is nice and golden brown, and now it needs to set for about 5 minutes before you release it from the pan. Once the frittata is cooled enough to release from the pan, slide it onto a serving platter. Then cut into wedges and serve. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. For this and others, go to the University of Delaware Cooperative Extension's website. That's extension udel.edu under the Nutrition, Food Safety, and Health tab.